queen closer may be placed. A. In header cores. B. In stretcher cores. C. In header cores next to first brick. D. In stretcher cores next to first brick. The correct answer is in header cores next to first brick. Dado is usually provided in A. Dining halls. B. Bathrooms. C. Living rooms. D. Veranda. The correct answer is bathrooms. The foundation in which a cantilever beam is provided to join two footings is known as A. Strip footing. B. Strap footing. C. Combined footing. D. Raft footing. The correct answer is strap footing. The foundations are placed below ground level to increase A. Strength. B. Workability. C. Stability of structure. D. All the above. The correct answer is stability of structure. Studs of a common wooden partition. A. Are vertical wooden members. B. Is the upper horizontal wooden member. C. Is the lower horizontal wooden member. D. Are the intermediate horizontal wooden members. The correct answer is are vertical wooden members. Pick up the correct statement from the following. A. Inclined borings are made for taking samples under existing structures. B. Inclined borings are occasionally used instead of vertical holes. C. The spacing of inclined borings is kept such that one bore hole is vertically above the bottom of an adjacent bore hole. D. All the above. The correct answer is all the above. To ensure that supporting area of an offset footing of a boundary wall is fully compressive, the CG of load must act A. At the center of the base. B. Within the middle third of the base. C. Within the middle fifth of the base. D. Neither A, B nor C. The correct answer is within the middle third of the base. The 9 cm x 9 cm side of a brick as seen in the wall face is generally known as A. Stretcher. B. Face. C. Front. D. Header. The correct answer is header. The taper of precast concrete pile should not be more than A. 1 cm per meter length. B. 2 cm per meter length. C. 4 cm per meter length. D. 5 cm per meter length. The correct answer is 2 cm per meter length. The undersurface of an arch is called A. Soffit. B. Intrados. C. Haunch. D. Back. The correct answer is soffit. The raft slab is projected beyond the outer walls of the structure by A. 5 to 10 cm. B. 15 to 20 cm. C. 25 to 30 cm. D. 30 to 45 cm. The correct answer is 30 to 45 cm. The process of making the background rough before plastering is A. Dubbing. B. Hacking. C. Blistering. D. Peeling. The correct answer is hacking. Black cotton soil is unsuitable for foundations because its A. Bearing capacity is low. B. Permeability is uncertain. C. Particles are cohesive. D. Property to undergo a volumetric change due to variation of moisture content. The correct answer is property to undergo a volumetric change due to variation of moisture content. The loose pockets in soil mass can be bridged safely by providing a raft foundation provided the soft area is smaller than A. The column spacing. B. 1/3 the column spacing. C. Half the column spacing. D. 3/4 the column spacing. The correct answer is 1/3 the column spacing. The portion of a brick cut across the width is called A. Closer. B. Half brick. C. Bed. D. Bat. The correct answer is bat. The concrete slump recommended for beams and slabs is A 25 to 50 mm, B 25 to 75 mm, C 30 to 125 mm, D 50 to 100 mm. The correct answer is 30 to 125 mm. The member which is placed horizontally to support common rafter of a sloping roof is A purlin, B cleat, C batten, D strut. The correct answer is purlin. Pick up the correct statement from the following. A louvered door is generally provided in bathrooms. B flush door is generally provided in dining room. C revolving door is generally provided in cinema halls. D sliding door is generally provided in showrooms. The correct answer is revolving door is generally provided in cinema halls. The exterior angle between outer faces of a wall is known as A turn, B junction, C quoin, D all the above. The correct answer is quoin. In jack arch floor, the rise is kept A 1/6 of the span, B 1/8 of the span, C 1/10 of the span, D 1/12 of the span. The correct answer is 1/12 of the span. While designing a stair, the product of rise and going is approximately kept equal to A 350, B 420, C 450, D 500. The correct answer is 420. For constructing a terrazzo floor, pick up the incorrect statement from the following. A base course is prepared as in cement concrete flooring. B a 32 mm thick layer of cement concrete 1, 2, 4 is laid on the base course and the surface is made smooth by troweling. C glass strips are driven into the layer according to the pattern required. D after final grinding is over oxalic acid mixed with water is spread over and rubbed hard with soft material. The correct answer is a 32 mm thick layer of cement concrete 1, 2, 4 is laid on the base course and the surface is made smooth by troweling. The entrained concrete is used in lining walls and roofs for making A heat insulated, B sound insulated, C neither A nor B, D both A and B. The correct answer is both A and B. The pile which is provided with a bulb filled with concrete at its lower end is known as A simplex pile, B MacArthur pile, C Raymond pile, D Frankie pile. The correct answer is MacArthur pile. In case of multi-storied buildings, the forms to be removed first are A sides of beams and girders, B column forms, C bottom of beams and girders, D all the above at the same time. The correct answer is sides of beams and girders. For providing a raft foundation, the following activities are involved. A 1 2 3 4 5, B 5 4 3 2 1, C 2 1 3 5 4, D 3 2 5 1 4. The correct answer is 2 1 3 5 4. The maximum permissible deflection of a timber beam supporting a roof is A L 100, B L 150, C L 260, D L 360. The correct answer is L 360. The angular steps used for changing direction of the stairs are called A round steps, B angular steps, C winders, D radial steps. The correct answer is winders. During percussion drilling, A groundwater observations are hindered due to entry of the slurry in the soil below the bottom of the hole. B. Caving or mixing of strata are caused in soft soils or cohesionless soils. C. The soil to a considerable depth below the bottom of the hole gets disturbed. D. All the above. The correct answer is all the above. In English garden wall bond, A. 1 course of headers to 3 or 5 course of stretchers. B. Queen closer in provided in each heading course. C. The middle course of stretchers is started with a header to give proper vertical joints. D. All the above. The correct answer is all the above. A projecting piece usually provided to support a truss is A. cornice, B. coping, C. frieze, D. lintel. The correct answer is frieze. The line of intersection of the surfaces of a sloping roof forming an external angle exceeding 180 degrees is A. ridge, B. hip, C. valley, D. none of these. The correct answer is hip. A solid core of rock is formed inside the cylinder in the case of A. auger boring, B. percussion drilling, C. diamond drilling, D. wash boring. The correct answer is diamond drilling. The single-stage well point system of devatying an excavation can be used if the depth of excavation does not exceed A. 5 m, B. 10 m, C. 15 m, D. 20 m. The correct answer is 5 m. The piece of a brick cut with its one corner equivalent to half the length and half the width of a full brick is known as A. queen closer, B. beveled closer, C. king closer, D. half king closer. The correct answer is king closer. The brick laid with its breadth parallel to the face of a wall is known as A. header, B. stretcher, C. closer, D. none of these. The correct answer is header. A wooden block hinged on post outside a door is known A. cleat, B. stop, C. horn, D. none of these. The correct answer is cleat. In horizontal D.P.C, thickness of cement concrete 1, 2, 4 is A. 2 centimeters, B. 4 centimeters, C. 6 centimeters, D. 8 centimeters. The correct answer is 4 centimeters. Which one of the following factors is considered for the orientation of buildings? A. The direction of the prevailing winds in the area. B. The exposure of the walls and roof of the buildings to the rays of sun. C. The extent up to which the sun rays penetrate with the veranda. D. All the above. The correct answer is all the above. Pick up the incorrect statement from the following. A. Cement is added to lime mortar to increase its hydraulic properties only. B. Lime soaky mortar is used for pointing the walls. C. Lime should be slaked before preparing lime mortar. D. High early strength concrete is generally used in cold weather. The correct answer is cement is added to lime mortar to increase its hydraulic properties only. Which one of the following rocks is used for monumental buildings? A. Granite, B. Marble, C. Sandstone, D. Slate. The correct answer is marble. The auger borings are not common. A. In soils that require lateral support. B. In cohesive soils. C. In soft soils. D. None of the above. The correct answer is in soils that require lateral support. The form work from the underside of slabs can be removed only after A. 1 day, B. 4 days, C. 7 days, D. 14 days. The correct answer is 7 days. Arches in the form of masonry arcs struck from more than 4 centers are called A. 2 curved arches, B. Gothic arches, C. ogee arches, D. Drop Gothic arches. The correct answer is ogee arches.